Getting frustrated with your search for an affordable home in a great location close to downtown and to the river valley? Look no further in this fully renovated bungalow in the quiet community of Sherbrooke. It's a great location across the street from the park and is situated on a huge 7,330 square foot lot. This property is perfect for a multi-generational family as it features 2 kitchens and has 5 bedrooms, 3 up and 2 down. Both bathrooms have been fully renovated and there is also a double garage. The main floor offers a renovated kitchen with a mosaic backsplash and newer full-height cabinets and upgraded stainless steel appliances. It's a bright and open floor plan that's been freshly painted and new carpet is throughout. All 3 bedrooms on the main floor are ample enough size for plenty of furniture. And there are triple pane windows throughout the home, including the lower level, which has full height windows and full egress windows in all of the bedrooms.
Oh, so now you're really
Heading
looking.
downstairs, you'll notice the lovely steel and maple railing. The brightness will invite you. It also has a brand new furnace and new hot water on demand. The bathroom is a 3-piece bathroom with a Jack and Jill doors and also has a lovely walk-in shower that is custom tiling. The kitchen is matching upstairs with full-length cabinets, same type of tile work. There are 2 sitting areas in the basement and 2 large bedrooms as well. Outside, the siding has been redone. There is new insulation, soffits, fascia, roof, deck, etc. You can't find anything wrong with this home. Close to Westmount Shopping Mall, Coronation Park and Swimming Pool, Telus World of Science, Rochelle High School, quick access to the U of A and River Valley. Make this yours today.